How to change gender preference on Tinder. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change gender preference on Tinder. If you have selected the incorrect gender preference previously, then here's how you can change it. For that, you'll need to open your Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this homepage. On this homepage, at the right bottom, you'll find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. Now once you reach to your profile page, here tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you tap on settings, you will reach to this section from where you can now edit your information. Here scroll down a bit and then there you will find show me option. Go ahead and tap on this option. Under it, you will be presented with 3 different options. Now from here, you can select the preferred gender from this section. To select it, you just simply have to tap on it and a red tick mark will appear indicating that you have selected them. Once you do that, you have successfully changed your gender preference on Tinder. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.